Hello everybody, this is pillartrading.com, and in today's chart of the day we are going to be going over the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. This is the December contract. Currently trading 1138.50, and we are looking at a weekly chart. Now what we've drawn up on this weekly chart and what we have been drawing up for quite some time, all the way since these lows at 665.75, is the retracement area. We've been waiting on it for a long time. It was 1126. We saw significant selling the first time. The second time we broke up into it. Third time sold again. Fourth time sold again. Finally, this time we have broken above it, and that is what we are going to be looking at here, is the important move that is setting up to the upside, because what has happened is we have broken out of a short move and we are now looking at no more short targets. We are still inside of this short zone. This short zone on the weekly chart ends at 1230 even. So we are not completely out of the short area, but there has been a sense of significant weakness on the bear's case. So let's take a look at the daily chart and see what we can come up with in terms of midterm trends. There hasn't been much since we had a breakdown. We had a short setup here. Since we've had this breakdown and a break above these double top highs, we haven't had a significant pullback until today. And we're going to be showing you that on the 15-minute chart here in a second. But in terms of midterm trends, we need a pullback, and we need that pullback to be respected in order to start a new bullish trend, which we have not seen yet. Right now, that level for a pullback would be at 1094.50. 1094.50. And if we go down to the 15-minute chart, we can see exactly what's happening with the short trend that is not allowing price to come down to that level. We had in the overnight session here, we had towards the end of the day, we had these 1133.50s trade. That was the level from lows at 1117.25 to highs at 1149.75. That gave us our range. Inside of that was that buy area. That saw initial support and a bounce. It bounced right into the full halfway back for the short trade. So now we are in between two very important levels. If this thing breaks down, that signals the end of the short-term trade and a possible retracement all the way back down to these daily long areas. Okay, all the way down 1094. It's got to break through that 1100 psychological barrier as well. On the upside, we go back to the 15-minute chart. If we break above 1143 even off of this trade, you will see us skyrocket right back up to double top highs. You're going to see initial selling in that area. If we can break above that on either the first or second attempt, you're going to see this target hit up here at 1157. And like we said before, on the midterm, there is no short trades. On the short term, the only short trade is here, which is already traded at 1140.75. If you're going to take it now, it's going to be a second touch. It's going to be weaker participation. It's not a very high probability trade. So you've really got two plays. You wait for a breakdown here and move to the upside, or you wait for a breakdown to the downside. And those are the plays of the day. Again, remember, if we break to that upside, there are no short plays after that, except if you're selling double top highs. So, guys, that's the play on ES. If you've got any other questions or comments about the other charts that we do, please stop by the website, www.pillartrading.com. We try to get to those questions and comments as quick as we can. So hopefully everyone has a good trading day, and I will see you all in the next video.